Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guidebooks can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C51 Structural Steel Licensing Exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C51 contractor license? A C51 license is issued to a contractor who fabricates and erects structural steel shapes and plates of any profile, perimeter, or cross-section that are or may be used as structural members for buildings and structures, including the riveting, welding, rigging, and metal roofing systems necessary to perform this work. Now, there are some basic requirements as well as some experience requirements to get your C51 contractor license. You have to be at least 18 years of age, have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. You also need to have 4 years of full-time level experience and then a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, such as like another licensed contractor, employer, supervisor, or a business associate. Now, what to expect during the test? The testing is done inside in a facility and it's closed book, so no reference materials can be brought into the testing facility. No notes, no cards, no study guides. The questions are formatted in multiple choice, so like an ABCD format. There are going to be some mathematical computations and a calculator will be provided to you. And we are going to look at some sample questions that will probably show you a mathematical computation. So it is good they do provide a calculator for you. The testing is done on site and the results are going to be immediate to you. Let's take a look at the way the exam is broken down so that you know what to study for. The exam for a structural steel contractor is broken down into 5 major sections. Planning and estimating is about 20% of the questions, job preparation 15%, shop fabrication 20%, field erection 20%, and safety questions coming in at 25%. So let's take a look at those sample questions. And the first one is going to be a mathematical question. The specifications call for the steel to be galvanized. If steel tubes cost $1.35 per pound and galvanizing costs $1,000 per ton, how much would it cost to purchase and galvanize 5 40-foot tubes that weigh 59.32 pounds per foot? I'll give you a moment to think on that one. D, $21,948. Did you guess it right? Number 2, before fabricating, which of the following material verifications is the most critical? C, checking for specification compliance. Number 3, which of the following would be the most commonly found in a moment connection? D, a continuity plate. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.